In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off a location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for a location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it's white. That means that location is off. To turn it on, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down and click on Location section over here. Then use this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!